Today I'll be showing you how to do these nails. You need polishes and a toothpick and a tissue. Putting on the second coat of polish just to be sure. Cleaning off the excess. Grab a toothpick and put horizontal lines in your polish. And wipe it off as you go so it won't clump up. And again, I'm putting a second coat of polish just to be sure. Pick up your toothpick and flip it over and draw vertical lines this time. And make sure you flip it over so the other color polish won't get on with this one, or you can just get a whole new toothpick. It's up to you. Now I'm going to paint the trunk of the tree. Now I'm going to do the leaves of the palm tree. I normally do 5 because that's what looks right to me, but that's up to you. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below of where you can get a bottle of polish like this. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell so you can turn on those post notifications. And this is what they look like when they're done. Hope you enjoyed the video.